Greetings YouTube, it is I, Infinite 1985, back again with another figure review. Today we'll be looking at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection MMPR Red Ranger by Hasbro. Now he is 6 inches tall, and mine is kit bashed. As you can see, his helmet is from the Jason and Trini 2 pack. But I think it was always meant for this figure. I don't know why Hasbro gave us that wonky ass piece of shit helmet. But it looks much more proportionate on this body, and his detail is pretty good. He's got the diamond patterns all painted in, the Tyrannosaurus coin on his belt, the black markings on the morpher, and silver. He's got the diamond patterns perfected on the belt, the gloves and shoes. He's even got the diamonds on his back, something Bandai never gave us. And like what I say, the helmet looks proportionate. It's perfectly round, not oblong shaped. Now going over his accessories, he gets the power sword. Can't have Jason without his power sword. And the immaculate details of the gold trim around the race parts, the Celtic greeble in the blade, but they missed the black dots on the sword, but that's okay. His black handle with the diamonds again. It comes with the lightning effect, which just slots over the sword like so, and there. He's got a fully energized sword. He comes with a bladed blade blaster, which I also kit bashed from the Trini figure. A holster blade blaster, which is essential for this figure. And a gun mode blade blaster, which was his default. He also comes with a Jason head, which honestly looks kind of sad and depressed. I don't know why. Now, going over his articulation, his head can go down that far, up that far, so we can get some dinosaur power. Now, it can swivel, but my head is extremely tight due to being brand new. Arms go out about that far. Swivel 360. Double jointed elbows. Swivel wrist. Ab crunch goes back farther than expected. Forward. He can go about that far. No waist twist. He gets swivel wrists and hinges, which go up and down. Legs kick out about that far. Back, not at all. Double jointed knee allows for kick your own butt position. Thigh swivel. Boot swivel. Ankle joints. They swivel left to right and go up and down. Now, this figure of mine is absolutely perfect. Now, for some size comparisons, here he is with another Lightning Collection Red. Tommy. And that is perfect. They are screen accurate to a T and look perfected together. And if you want to get your double Jason on, here he is with Gold Ranger Jason or Trey, and they look good together too as well. Now be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll come at you with another figure review. This is Infinite 1985 signing off.